Yes, in the woods, gubat. Dito lang I'm having my lunch in a minute. Ayan, may dala akong lutoan saka arroz caldo, lunch, rice pudding, porridge. Ito, porridge. May portable cooker, may upuan. Tapos yan, ilog, water, river. Yan, running water siya. Naligo ata. Okay, pwede rin mag-set up dito ng tent. Alright. Kain na tayo. With my sili. Saan yung sili? Ayun, yung sili. Ayun. Para mas masarap. Yan. Okay. See you later. Alright. Alright. Pwede rin mag-tent dito. Yan. Just 20 minutes walk from the house. See you.